I'm gonna do the rest of the video sitting back like this. Wow. Already get the BedSure heating pad for neck and shoulders. It comes in this box with this set of instructions, which we're not gonna need because we don't do instructions around here. That's how we are. And it comes with the heating pad itself. I'm excited about this. I'm a golfer. This is gonna be great after a long, hard day of golfing. They got it tied up in 2 different places. There's a lot going on here. Power cable itself, which is about 6 foot long. So we got about a 6 foot long power cable, the remote control, and then the unit itself. Look at this thing. According to the literature, this uses graphene heating materials on here. And it's very nice, soft, plush on the underside of this. I guess with this wrap around your shoulders and everything, you get you all that deep penetrating heat that you need. They're using positive temperature coefficient and negative temperature coefficient heating wire to give you the perfect temperature in here. So let's plug this thing in. I'm excited. Let's see how this remote control works. Oh, this is cool. So there's a nice digital display on there. Look at that. Nice big digital display. Looks like we're gonna have several different settings on here. So nice handheld. Feels good in your hand. Nice rounded thing. I feel it heating up already under my arm. Woo, let me put this thing on. I'm gonna be honest, this feels really comfortable. So we got 6 different heating settings on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all different temperature settings. It also has 3 different timer settings on there, an hour, hour and a half, and 2 hours. So this thing will time out. If you happen to fall asleep because you're so comfortable, this thing will just time out on you. Just so you know, this device can unplug from the actual vest itself. So before you plug it into an electrical outlet, you want to make sure you've got this plugged in first. Plug it into the vest first, and plug it into the outlet, and then turn it on. So if you're looking for a unique kind of heating pad, you get your shoulders and your neck and the top of your back there. The boy got the whole shoulders, everything down there, all these muscles. 6 different temperatures, 3 different timers, remote control. Feels great, plush, comfortable. Check this one out by BedSure. Check it out.